Are you struggle with hair loss, hair fall, bald spots, thinning edges, or slow hair growth? Struggle no more. On today's video, I will show you this powerful recipe that is very effective to solving your hair problems, and I'll take you step by step on how to prepare it and how to use this recipe for that effective results. So if the video sound like what I'm interesting, keep on watching. To prepare this powerful hair growth solution tea spray, we need few ingredients. Our first ingredient is bay leaf. Bay leaf boosts hair growth, is rich for antioxidants and essential oils. The compound on bay leaf works to stimulate blood circulation to the hair roots, and also has a higher nutrient to deliver to the hair roots, enhance faster hair growth. Bay leaf is very powerful in our hair growth. Bay leaf work a lot of things. If you are dealing with slow hair growth, if you are dealing with hair fall, hair loss, bay leaf should be that remedy that you need to start using, and you see a great result in using bay leaf. Do not let down on bay leaf. Bay leaf works so amazing, and bay leaf is also very easy to find. So I just use some pieces of bay leaf, like 7 to 8 pieces of bay leaf. My second ingredient is cloves. Cloves work so amazing in our hair growth. Cloves help a lot to fasten up the hair growth. Cloves help a lot to stop that hair fall. Cloves help a lot to thicken up your hair. Guys, if you know the right way to use cloves, you will never get tired of using cloves on your hair, and cloves will give you that magic hair growth he promised to give to us. Cloves enhance blood circulation. Cloves has property that can help stimulate blood flow in your scalp, which may promote hair follicles activate and encourage hair growth. Cloves contain vitamins, mineral and fiber that can nourish the hair follicles and support overall healthy hair growth. Do not joke with cloves, okay? And you see how your hair will start getting longer, thicker, fuller and healthier. I just make use of 1 tablespoon of my cloves. My next ingredient is dry rosemary leaf. If you have the fresh leaf, you can also make use of it. Rosemary is very powerful in stimulating blood flow to your scalp, giving you that longer hair, stopping hair fall, hair loss, and taking up that your weak hair, regrowing your edges. Rosemary is very powerful. Using rosemary alone can give you longer, thicker, healthy hair, and combine them together with these other ingredients, guys, you'll be getting crazy results with this tea spray, because this tea spray packed with a lot of important ingredients that can help to solve that your hair growth, give you that faster results. Yes, they are very effective. So I just use 1 tablespoon of my rosemary leaf. As usual, I'll be doing infusion method, but this infusion method is different from other of my infusion method. This infusion method will give you that boost hair growth. This infusion method is very powerful, effective and potent. It will help a lot to grow your hair faster, solve those your hair problems faster. So what I did now, I transfer my ingredients into my jar container, pour in my hot water. I will cover this and keep it away in a cool dark place to sit for 6 to 7 days. Yes, you hear me correctly, 6 to 7 days. This is the only way you can infuse this. If you want this tea spray to be very potent and effective and powerful, infuse it the same way I infuse mine, and believe me, only 7 days with this tea spray, the results will be mind-blowing. Only 7 days, you'll be shocked at the result will be gotten. There's no joke. I'm telling you guys my honest review. This tea spray will help you a lot. This tea spray will solve those your hair problems and grow your hair super crazy. If you can infuse it the same way I infuse mine, and also pay close attention, I will tell you the perfect way to use this tea spray to get that powerful results. Okay, so after 7 to 6 days, my tea spray is ready. Do you see how darker? Do you see how potent. Do you see how powerful this tea spray look? Guys, this is not the regular tea spray. As you can see, the color is total different. This is one of the best way you can infuse the tea spray and get the powerful result and make the tea spray to be very potent. After straining it, I transfer into my spray bottle for easy application. I have shown you the powerful way to infuse this tea spray. Now let me take you step by step on how to apply it to get that good results with this tea spray. There is different way can you do tea spray on your hair, but please you need to pay close attention, because if you do not watch this video to the end, you will make a lot of mistake and this tea spray will not give you that good result. It will be breaking off your hair or drying off your hair, and you don't want that. We want this tea spray to give us good result, to grow our hair, solve our hair problems. So please and please pay close attention to get all the whole important information. So this is how my hair is. Whether your hair is a protected hairstyle or not protected hairstyle, it can use this tea spray on your hair. But like as always said, try to wearing protected hairstyle. It will help you a whole lot, okay? So I'm just applying it on my hair. First of all, apply DT spray on a clean hair. Don't apply DT spray on a dirty hair. I repeat, do not apply DT spray on a dirty hair. If you want to get that faster boost crazy hair growth, apply it on a clean scalp and then also on a clean strand of hair. Focus on your scalp or under your problem areas. If your problem area is your crown section, your edges, your hair nipple, any problem area you are facing, please focus this spray on that place. Be consistent with it for 7 days. Guys, you will be shocked at the results we got with this spray. This spray is tested and trusted. There's no joke. If you are not ready to grow crazy bush hair, do not use this spray, okay? Because this spray is for those that want bush longer hair growth. There's no joke. This spray is very, very potent to solve those your hair problems. After applying in that your problem area, do not skip scalp massage. Scalp massage is very, very important because scalp massage will help blood flow to your scalp, and also it will help this product to penetrate deeply on your hair and do that great work it meant to do on your hair. Another way to use duty spray. Duty spray is not meant for you to rinse it out of your hair. Do not rinse this out of your hair. If you want that faster result, if you want duty spray to do that good work it meant to do on your hair, please do not rinse it out of your hair. Allow duty spray to sit on your hair to do that best work it meant to do. Next thing, after applying this spray on your hair, please moisturize your hair. Don't skip it. It's very, very important. If you do not use your leave-in condition or your hair butter to moisturize your hair, this spray will break your hair and dry off your hair. Yes, I said that. But if you can apply it and follow up with your moisture, it will not break your hair. It will help that spray to moisturize your hair and keep your hair growing. Don't skip it, okay? And also after using that, follow up with your oil, any of your hair growth oil of your choice. Apply it on your scalp and also on the strands of your hair. Guys, this method is the best way to use DT spray to get the most powerful results. So you can also use it as your final tea rinse, but I would advise you to use it only for leave-in tea spray treatment. Don't wash it out for that best result. I hope I have shown you the best way to use these 3 powerful ingredients to grow your hair like crazy, to solve those your hair problems. Please, if you have not joined this beautiful family up to this point, do well to click on that subscribe button, and believe me, you will never regret joining this beautiful family. Once you subscribe, please turn on your post notification bell to all so that YouTube will notify you whenever I upload amazing videos like this, okay? And also, if you have not liked this video up to this point and you find this video helpful, please help me to click on that like button, okay? It really encourages me and also it helps the growth of the channel. channel. Lastly, please share this video to your family and friends so that they get the good news on how to use this powerful and simple ingredient to grow their hair like never before. Okay, I have come to end of today's video. I love you guys so much, but God love you most. See you guys on my next video. Remain blessed out there. Bye. Mwah.